Start. Dim.
Hello again, welcome back to Illegally Cited. This is BGFH, and I'm back for another iOS app video. And we're moving a little bit away from books today, but we are still kind of looking at reading resources, so keeping up on various news and such. And one of the apps I want to cover today is called AccessWorld. You may be familiar with the website. This is a monthly publication that is put out, and it has all kinds of different news. A lot of it is focused on technology. And let's just open up the app here. It's a very
AccessWorld.
straightforward app,
AccessWorld. August issue.
but it works very well. So the August issue is up and ready to go. When I open up the app, that's kind of where it brought me. And at the top of the screen,
August issue. Heading.
so I can just flick to the right.
National Braille Press presents the 2012 Touch of Genius Prize for Innovation.
If I flick to the right, I'm just navigating the different headings or articles
A review of the Voice Dream Reader for iOS.
For this-
One-stop solution.
for this issue. That is an app I'm going to be covering if I haven't already on the channel, this Voice Dream Reader. Definitely recommend that if you want to read a lot of documents.
An evaluation of typability for a JAWS-based typing tutorial from Yes Accessible.
Okay.
A review of the Socializer System Access mobile network app from Saratech.
Again, if I'm able to get
AccessWorld News.
If I'm able to get my computer recording outside of games to work better, I do want to cover this new Socializer because it is very good and very addictive. I've become a lot more addicted to Twitter.
AccessWorld News.
AccessWorld News.
Evaluating the accessibility of 3 remote postage services. USPS.com. TheStamps.com. Desktop application.
So you get the idea. A lot of articles based on reviewing different technologies and, things that may be coming ahead and things like that. So let's say that I want to read one of these articles. I'm going to go back up to...
Evaluating the accessibility. Reader feedback at First Ever Braille Summit.
Let's
AccessWorld
see.
News. A review of the Socializer System.
Let's go to the
Access mobile
Socializer
network app.
article because I like the Socializer.
August issue. Back button. A review of the social.
So this works just like any kind of web page or text interface. So like your web pages, your email, whatever. I just have my document window here, and I can swipe with 2 fingers down to have it read.
A review of the Socializer System Access mobile network app from Saratech. Larry Lewis. Over the past 2 years, I've been fortunate enough to write about the advent of cloud computing and how such technology served as the launching pad for social networks to build virtual online vehicles for us to communicate and share information with each other. Almost 10 years ago, a small software development company called Saratech began to develop a screen.
Yada yada. Okay, so there's the start of the article, and if I wanted to, I could just keep reading until the end. Now I go up to the upper left corner of the window.
August issue. Back button.
I can go back, or if I flick right,
Share this article. Button.
I can share this article. So let's see, I'm not sure what options they give
Alert.
us.
Share this. Email. Button.
Oh, okay, I can email it to somebody. Well, I do not want to do that.
Email.
Oh, weird, why won't it?
Email. Cancel. Button.
There we go. For some reason, it
Share
would not
this
let me
article.
go to the cancel button. So let's go back.
August issue. Back button. August issue.
Now, one part of the interface that we have not touched yet is the bottom. Just like many iOS apps, we have tabs across the bottom that do different things.
Selected. Current issue.
Bottom
Tab.
left, we have
1
our
of 4.
current issue.
Selected. Current issue. Back issues. Tab.
Back
2 of
issues.
4. Contact us. Tab.
Contact
3
us.
of 4. More. Tab. 4 of 4.
And more. I'm not sure what's under more. Let's check that out real quick.
Article text size.
Oh, okay, so I can change my...
Selected. Small. Medium. Button. Large. Button. About. AFB AccessWorld iPhone app v1.8.
So let's say that I wanted
Button.
large.
3. Selected. Large.
So now when I
3 of
go
3.
into, I'm going to go to my second
Back
tab.
issues.
I'm going to go
Tab.
back.
2013.
I want 2013. I could flick to the right.
2012. 2011.
Let's say that I want to read
2013.
July of 2013.
By month. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. Apps. Phones. Tablets. Computers. Book readers. Abstract. A review.
Okay, so now
Comments and
it's...
questions.
There we go. It loaded up that particular month's issue, and now I could, just like the current one, the current issue, I can
Comments and questions. Android's big step
swipe.
forward. A review of the screen enhancement features of Android 4.2.2.
Okay, so let's say,
AFB Access Note Taker app updated.
okay,
Working with text and voice over on the Mac.
let's go back up to that first article,
Android's big step forward. A review of the screen
and let's
enhancement
see
features
how
of Android
big,
4.2.2.
big the large text size is.
July 2013. Back button.
Well, I don't know what it changed or where it changed it, because I did choose large text, and that article text is still pretty darn tiny. I don't really know where they got doing that, but or if I screwed something up, which is entirely possible. But again, it's just, like I said, just reading another article.
At an ever-increasing rate, tasks that have traditionally been carried out using PCs and Macs are being taken over by smartphones and tablets. The Android market is inching ever closer to the 1 million apps marker, indicative of the potential influence Android devices have on.
And there we go. There's the start of our article. And really, that's what this app is. I mean, a lot of people, especially wanting to follow blindness and even mainstream technology, covering or covered from a blindness perspective. Again, a really good publication to check into fairly often, just to see what has been written. That is a look at the AFB AccessWorld app. Let's pop back to our recording software here.
X-Ray.
Again, it's not really any more complicated than that. It just uses voiceover for its speech, and because of that, again, you can use all your standard flick and rotor gestures, and you can use a braille display because it is using voiceover. So that is a quick look at the AccessWorld app. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, I will talk to you guys again soon.